Do you have a Dyson vacuum cleaner that just doesn't seem to keep its charge? I'll show you how to change the battery. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another repair video, shall we say. Right, this is the Dyson DC09. I think it's the Animal, because purple and whatever else comes with different equipment. That's the only reason why they changed the name, because it has different equipment for different pets or whatever else. So, this is mine. We've had this for quite a few years. It's been demoted for newer products to go in the house. So I have this in the garage and it's been working absolutely brilliantly until, yeah, the indicator on the side of here, which there are actually two, it's always been fully charged. It's been in the cradle. It's been charged fine until you start to use it and the battery indicator goes down from 3 to 2 to 1, and then within the past few days, it's just been on and then dead. So whether or not there's something wrong with the charger, or most probably the actual battery itself, it's, it's... I think the life of the battery is now gone and I need a replacement. And straight through Dyson, yes, you can go get your own because they are quite expensive. They're about £75, works out about $90 if you've got it in America. There are aftermarket ones and they are hit and miss whether or not they're any good or not. But I took the chance because I have to, because this needs replacing. I bought this one from Amazon. They're all over Amazon, tons and tons out there. This one apparently is that what, Waitley? Don't know, but it's, the original battery inside here is a 2800 mAh. So this is double the amount, and I actually feared that this would be double the thickness, that wouldn't actually fit into the cradle. It does, it's exactly the same size, it has different cells in it. Now, this should be a stuck together cell anyway, protection on there to stop that being broken, because that does look to me like it's going to break. Charging port is on there, so it goes that way around. So let's take this thing to pieces, shall we? There are bits that you can do yourself for cleaning these. Turn that off, blow this out, clean this out. I don't think you can wash this, although I could be wrong. You can buy an upgrade kit or at least a replacement filter kit. This model comes out. I don't think you can wash this. Actually, you can, because you can see the symbol there. It's a tap. You can wash this under the tap. A lot of dust, a lot of crap will come out. I'd probably recommend, yeah, maybe... No, that's not too bad actually, this one. Maybe put it in the tap, make sure it's dry before it goes back in again. And these just, yes, this is a working vacuum cleaner. It just slots in and the suction of the vac will keep it properly in place. This goes sideways and on, unless you want the label. Listen to the label on the back. Label's the right way around now. So, yeah, the Dyson, you empty it by pulling that up, which then drops this bottom bit down and lifts the actual full section up. But I'm not doing that because that's not the actual part of this video. Right, so if you watch this has been on full charge. Watch the indicator, and this is going to get noisy, so apologise. It's a straight off charge, and it's straight away down to 1, and it won't last much longer than that. So I'm going to change the battery. Very, very easy. Right, so there are 3 screws you need to remove. One under here, and one there, and then one there. As simple as that. So I'm going to remove these 2 bottom ones first, and this should slide out. The problem with this is that you've got the bottom bin in the way. You could do with taking that bin off first. There is a way of doing that, and I'm not 100% certain because I've never done this before. Let's pull that up so it gets out of the way. Will that come off? No. I think it does open up. This is going to get a little bit messy. Right, I've got one screw out. The bottom lid probably better is taken off anyway. So one screw's there. Second screw's over here. And that will either drop off or grab yourself a tweezers, because one side did drop off, one side I'm going to need the tweezers off. There we go. And then the third screw is round the back, under the filter, right about there. So undo, undo, undo. This will be a little bit messy. Nothing over the top, nothing that you can't cope with. So we have 3 screws. all exactly the same, so no need to bother worrying about that. Then, that was easy. It literally just disconnects and slides out from the bottom, like that. There are two contacts there. There's actually a red lever as well there, but that must be for the trigger, because the trigger button is pressed in. So when I do that, it will not work now completely, because that's now completely flat. So unless the actual screw itself inside here cuts it off, there is literally nothing on that battery. So simple as, take this back round that way. This is an original Dyson. I might do something with this. 6 cells. You can actually get inside this somehow, change the cells over instead of getting a new battery, but that's entirely up to you. I mean, that says it's 425 watts, where this is 97.2 watt hours. Right, okay, so it's still the same voltage, 21.6, which I think there's 4 cells in here. So that just goes that way around, slides in, push that back out. Hopefully that might work. Ooh. Jeez. Okay, so that definitely is dead then, because that was very, very loud. So before I do anything else, let's put the screws back in. One screw in the back there. Open up the bottom. I'll put a screw in first on both sides. These are just to secure it. I wasn't 100% certain that you could change this, but now I know you can. Just get that on the right thread there. There you go. It feels like it's cutting into something. Then it's either going to make a fresh hole in the plastic that it's screwed into, or it's just going to destroy itself. But being careful, thread out, and then it will find its natural part. So that is the battery changed. Obviously no nozzle on the end, but that sounds a lot louder. And unfortunately, I'm trying to show you, I can't see the indicators as well. So I'm guessing instead of going 1, 2, 3, the one went off first, 2, 3. So the further back it went on this one, it kind of, yeah, it's the opposite way around. But, ooh. It's like a safety mechanism just in case it's blocked. But that is a lot better. I mean, yeah, the build quality is kind of a little bit different. It's more smoother on the original battery, but got some little bits on there. We always used to find a problem with these, because I didn't, but my partner kind of had problems while we bought a different bike, is you get electric shocks from that. So your hand was there and you were pushing up and down with the attachment on the floor, on a carpet, and shocks. You get a shock from that because you wasn't touching it, but if you see, when you're holding it, this part of your hand here, which is a bit fleshy, will kind of go into there, and a lot of people have complained about that. And unfortunately, Dyson did not do anything with it, which is a bit of a shame, but the one we got now, I think it's a Shark, which takes a battery pack which disconnects. So we have 2 with that, so it's better for us at the moment, which is good. This, I really do like this being in the garage, because there's not much surface area to vac up, but it does get messy in here. It's good having a cordless vac very, very close to play with. So that's as simple as it gets. Changing the battery, 3 screws, and you're done. Can't get more simpler than that. Thank you very much. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon to do a donation to me for every month. Consider doing anything you want to actually give to the channel. Maybe an Xbox if it's broken, I can use it for parts. A ZX Spectrum Horde would be really nice as well. But yeah, if not, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. go.